In this video, I'm going to show you how to add in like a banner code and an ad to your to your download page, so it actually looks a little more attractive than just having a straight link. And I want to show you how to build a table around it so it draws even more attention and gets more interest on the page. So the first step you want to do is what I created here in a previous video was a more basic way to add monetization to your download page. It's really important to do this because you do want to, after they get on your list, you're giving them a free content. You may as well, because they've expressed an interest in that content, send them somewhere. That could be a link to your sales page to a product. It could be a link to your download page, or a link to a sales page, or it could be a link to a relevant affiliate offer, so a product that's related to what they signed up for. So what you're going to do here is we're just going to take this part out right here, and I'm going to just center up my mouse so it's highlighted here. And we're going to go up here to where it says table up here in the top right. And again, I'm inside Composer using the Composer right now. I'm going to choose table right here, and we just want to create a basic one by one table. And when you first input your table, it's going to put it in the left hand side. So all we need to do is just hit the center up here, and it's going to center up our table. And then the only other thing that we need to do here at this point is we'll type in our offer here. So click here to check out. And let's pretend that we are promoting something about woodworking, let's say. Please check out this amazing, or grab these 16,000 plans. 16,000 woodworking plans. And we can come in here and we can actually expand this by just dragging around here. The little drag around buttons, we can actually expand that so it does show up a little better. We can take the font here and center it if it will allow us to. And we'll just come in here and we'll just put in our content right there that we want to place in there. And let's bold that a little bit and make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to go to the text color here, make it red, or make it stand out. And then we're going to go to insert link, and we would just type in our affiliate link. So I'll show you guys how to put an image in there as well. youraffiliatelink.com. Target to be opened in a new window. And what I've got open here is the affiliate tools page for a product called Ted's Woodworking, and he gives you some nice banner code that you can use. So we're going to place one of these banners. He's got quite a few here. So let's just pretend that we gave people a free report on woodworking. So what we can do here, like this one looks good. So let's just take this product here, and if you're going to work with anybody's banner templates, make sure that you put in your affiliate link. It's really important, otherwise you're going to do all this work for nothing. So we're just going to copy that code here and go right on into our Composer, and I'm going to go up here to where it says source, or actually right below here. Let's just go to insert, and we will say HTML, and right in here we're just going to paste in this content here. So notice there is Ted's Woodworking. And then what we need to do is, so you'll notice that just pasted right in there, just went to insert HTML, and then it placed the HTML code right where I wanted it to go. And then the other thing we need to do is just come on in here, and let's change this. Let's say, okay, we like this image better. Let's just delete that part of it. So let's just take that out by just highlighting that. And then we can right click, and since we created a table, you can actually make make your table kind of stand out a little bit more. So we can actually put a border around that table. So let's say we want to put a 5-pixel border, and we can do cell spacing. We'll just do that at 5. And do that at 5. And background color, we could actually make it like a yellowish or something so it really stands out. And we'll hit OK. And that looks kind of ugly, but we'll just play with it for right now. So then let's just go over here and see how it looks. So you just want to browse on your computer to where you saved it. And let's come right in here to where we have it. So we'll just open that up. So there you go. So there's, Ted's woodworking plan. So we need to tweak that a little bit, so that comes in as centered. So we'll come right back over here, and we can actually shorten that up by dragging it around, because obviously we don't need that much space there. So to really kind of, shore this thing up, we can click and drag here. And make that table show up a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller, and it keeps bouncing it back. All right. So as you can see here, what we did is we kind of, we made a table. The yellow font may not flow. It does kind of, draw a little more attention to it. But you can actually go with yellow. You can go with, a white background, a light gray background. All you have to do is right click here and choose table or cell background color. And let's say we want to try like a light gray. And let's say on the border color, we'll go back here. Background for the table, we'll go with that gray color again. And there we have it. So that's how you can create a little table. And then you can use this to kind of get it to size itself up here by just clicking and dragging. And then you can also come on in here. Whoops, we got that file there. And then you can also come in here and there we go. Get it dragged there. And then go into source here. So we'll go to source to the table. And you're going to look for the code that you placed in from ClickBank or from the actual offer that we're working with. And in order to do this, you'll do a caret to the left and type in the word center, and a caret to the right. And the caret or the arrow keys are found right next to the letter M. And so we'll do at the very end of the HTML code of the file we just worked with. We'll do the / and then the word center again, and we're just trying to get that to center up, and it does. It looks a lot better there. And then we'll hit save, and so you can just go right into the source file if it's not formatting as it should, and you can go in right in front of the code and type in the word center. So it's arrow to the left, the word center, arrow to the right, go here to the end, it's arrow to the left, / and the word center. And then there it goes, and then you can save that and then go in here and preview how it looks. So there you have it. And then if you don't like that color, you can always just keep tweaking it. You could add text right up in there if you really wanted to. You can come in here and say, I highly recommend this product. ... and change the font on that. Format, font, Helvetica Arial. And the nice thing is about this software is it gives you a lot of flexibility kind of to play around with it, and that's one thing I like a lot about it's one thing I really like about working with Composer. And so it's kind of like using Microsoft Word in a lot of ways. You're just pointing your mouse around to get to where you want to type your content, and then you can type it in and make it bold. So I highly recommend this product. We'll hit save. We'll see how that looks. That looks a lot better there. And there you have it. So now we have a download page that actually has some color on it now. We can go in there. It's the nice thing about it is it's going to like really stick out there. This may not look the most attractive. We can always go back to set table or cell properties. We can go to a white background cell, and then the table or cell properties, and then for the table we can go to white with the border as well. Then we'll save that. Anytime you make a save, you can always go back, just hit refresh to see how it looks, and you can keep toying with it till it gets the look and feel that you want. So, but what it does though with the tables, it draws attention, even if it's not the most attractive thing. It does actually help draw attention to it, which is really in the end game what you want it to do. And then you can take that font, like let's say making that font a little bit bigger in a red color. That might actually draw more attention, give it some more color to that page. So we'll save it, and there you go. So that's how you can actually add, a nice feature to a page to kind of draw attention. And this works good if you don't even have an image. If you want to just highlight an area more than just using like an equal sign and give yourself a little bit more on your download page, this allows you to do that. So that's how you actually add a product to monetize your download page. It's important to do that, and it's a good step to go through.